What's up, everybody? Just getting off work. I got a phone call earlier from one of my customers saying that his truck is on the side of the road and it's leaking coolant. So I said, yo, pull over. I said the tow truck will pick him up, tow him back to the yard so I can see what's the problem. Oh, inspecting. Just open the hood and find it. Yeah, broken hose. This is the heater valve control. Yeah, you can see it snap right here. Remember, it's vacuum operated, so you gotta put by the vacuum hose. Insert all the clamps, make sure they're tightened, hose is secure, everything is good. Top out by the coolant. Check for leaks.